So WD-40 is a global lubricants brand. We have roughly 450 employees worldwide. We have the European business, the Americas business, and the Asia Pacific business.
We are responsible for all the server infrastructure, the network infrastructure across all of EMEA. WD-40 are quite a traditional company. We were one server, one role. The problem that gave us was that we were rapidly running out of physical space. So once we decided we wanted to go to a hyperconverged infrastructure, we looked at a number of vendors and we had to discount some of those almost out of the gate because they didn't support Hyper-V, which is our platform of choice. So it soon became quite clear that Nutanix was the clear and obvious solution.
During our journey through evaluation, having a look at different platforms, different vendors, Nutanix really stuck out for us.
One of the things that Nutanix had that other vendors didn't have was that place in the Gartner Magic Quadrant, right up in the top corner. That's going to give our management, our executives, confidence that the decision we're making is probably the right one.
We also found that Nutanix was probably the only vendor at the time that was compatible and had that support for the particular technologies that we were using already and where we were going.
One of the things we did during the evaluation process was to find out how good the support was. You're through straight away to someone and that support is fantastic.
The ultimate choice for utilising Nutanix for WD-40 over a lot of things isn't just necessarily the end product, it's the whole journey we had around that. The initial support, the initial pre-sales, the consultancy, the scoping, the understanding our requirements, the ability for us to essentially double or quadruple the amount of workloads we're having on it and not even utilising half of its percentage, which we have clear visibility into, is fantastic for us. We're now putting 3 times the amount of workloads on something where we would historically have just devoted a particular server for and essentially overspec'd a server to perform a single function.
WD-40 is a 100% Microsoft house. If Microsoft have it, we're probably running it. So we run Exchange, SharePoint, Active Directory, SQL. All of those workloads live on our Nutanix platform. All of those workloads are performing faultlessly. I've updated the Nutanix infrastructure live during business hours, 0 downtime. I can do a major upgrade. No one notices. That's what infrastructure should be.
An additional benefit was when we've decided to expand with the addition of further blocks and nodes is the sheer speed in which we can deploy.
I'm no longer spending my weekends doing upgrades on infrastructure, trying to schedule downtime. So it's great. I've got my life back. The platform itself has reached and breached all of my expectations. This year will see us buy more blocks, which will then reduce our physical footprint even further, and we will be 100% Nutanix.
It is the bells and whistles in terms of hyperconverged infrastructure. It allows us to be that well-oiled machine that our users demand from its IT department.
I see Nutanix quite like I see WD-40. It is that wonder product that just seems to fix everything.